Right, stop right there. Does your push-up look, well, kind of shaky, wobbly? Maybe it ends with a total collapse? Good news. It's not that you're weak, it's that your form is just broken.
But guess what? We're gonna fix that right now. I've got a super simple 3-step system that's going to completely transform your push-up. I mean it, forever.
Okay, first things first, we're heading to the wall. See, step 1 isn't about raw strength. Not at all. It's about getting control. We're literally reprogramming the way you move.
So here's the setup. Listen close. Hands go at shoulder height and shoulder width apart. Good. Now, step back so you're leaning at about a 15 to 30 degree angle. Your body has to be one single straight line. And this part is absolutely key. When you lower yourself, tuck those elbows in at 45 degrees. Do not let them flare out. I want you to give me 10 to 15 nice, slow reps. We're talking like 50% effort here. Then take a quick 45-second rest. You see, this drill teaches your body that clean movement pattern, but without any risk of collapsing. It's all about control.
All right, step 2. This is where we build your stability engine, the high plank. Seriously, this is the entire foundation for a strong push-up. The cues are simple, but you can't skip them. Palms directly under your shoulders. Spine, totally straight. No sagging hips, no arching back. And that core, lock it down, tight.
Just hold that perfect line for about 20 to 30 seconds. And listen to me on this. If your plank collapses, your push-up was doomed before you even started. You have to nail this alignment first.
And now, for the big one. The breakthrough that almost every beginner misses. See, most people do their push-ups in this T shape with their elbows flared way out to the side. That's just wrong, and it's putting a ton of unnecessary stress on your shoulders.
The correct form. It's not a T, it's an arrow. This one little change in alignment, that is the secret to a strong, safe, and seriously powerful push-up.
So let's break it down. What does the arrow shape mean? It means your elbows are at a 45-degree angle. Your palms are right under your shoulders, and your whole body is one straight, rigid line. You get this alignment right, and I promise everything else just clicks.
Okay, so you've learned control. You've built stability. You've discovered the arrow. You know what that means? It's time to take it to the floor and finally do the perfect push-up.
Let's talk about the speed, the tempo. I want a slow, 3-second count on the way down. Really control it. Then, bam! 1 second, explosive on the way up. And the whole time, you are maintaining that perfect arrow shape. That is what controlled power feels like.
And hey, forget about just cranking out sloppy reps. Your new goal is 5, just 5, but 5 perfectly clean reps with this exact form. That's real strength. So, let's recap the whole system lightning fast. First, you master control with wall push-ups. Second, you build your foundation with the high plank. And third, you execute with that powerful arrow push-up. It really is that simple. 3 steps, 1 alignment, and 0 wasted effort. Ever again. So go do it. Fix your form, transform your push-ups. Forever. So you've got the push-up down cold. What should our blue guy here master next? Pull-ups? Maybe some squats? Drop a comment below and let me know what challenge he should take on next.